Guys, in this video, I'm going to talk about how to become a millionaire in cryptocurrency market. Yes, becoming a millionaire is possible in cryptocurrency market, but there are few things that you need to know and few things that you should avoid doing so that you can become a millionaire in cryptocurrency market. So I'll start this video by saying a small story. I don't know the reality of that, but I heard it somewhere that there is a guy who have some bitcoins 4 years before, and he did some illegal activity and he gone into the jail, and again after 4 years he came back in 2017 and he started hearing everyone talking about Bitcoin and he realized that yeah, I do have a Bitcoin, and he checked the value of that Bitcoin and he become a millionaire. Do you want to become a millionaire like this? I say yes, you have to become a millionaire like this, but you should not do any illegal things. But the thing what you need to understand from this story is holding long term. This is a great weapon that you have, that everyone can become a millionaire if you hold a good fundamentally strong projects and you hold for some good amount of time so that you can also become a millionaire. So after that, I just want to talk about few other things that most of the people are not doing these days. See, people coming into this cryptocurrency market with some amount, maybe about a $500, $1,000. In India, it's like about 30,000 or 40,000. They come and they blindly follow some YouTubers calls or website calls or Twitter calls, and they put the money in this pump and dumps, and they'll lose all their money and they'll kick out from this cryptocurrency market. This is what happening in the cryptocurrency market, and this happened in the stock market, and this will happen in any other market. So if you just believe in some other people and invest your money on believing them, then obviously I'm 100% sure that maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but someday you have to lose all your money. So what you need to understand from this, you need to understand that it's not holding any coin, it's holding a fundamentally strong coin. Then how do you understand a fundamentally strong coin? See, to understand a fundamentally strong coin, there are few things that you need to know. The first thing is, like, you need to have a knowledge, you need to have a skills to analyze any project. You need some knowledge about this blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies and how all this stuff works and how is this technology works, what is a hash, and all those small basic things that you need to know, so that if you implement that in analyzing any project, then you will find out a strong fundamental projects. But if you go and listen to some people and their predictions and all this stuff, I'm 100% sure that you won't sustain in this market for a long time. And few other things also I just want to make you understand that when you're buying any cell phone which costs about $1,000, which costs about $100, $200 in Indian rupees, if it is 5,000 or 10,000 or 15,000, when you are buying any cell phone, you do a lot of work. Seriously, you do a lot of work. You compare this phone with many other phones. You check the specifications of these phones and you watch so many review videos, right? You watch a first unbox, first impression, and as well as the camera reviews, and as well as what is the review after about using it for about 1 week or 1 month. You see so many videos, you do so much of research, and then you stick to one phone and then you will buy that. So if you are working this much in buying just a small phone, then you are investing your savings, your hard-earned money into the cryptocurrencies. Then how much you need to research? But now no one is doing that. Most of the people, 99% of the people who comes into the stock market or into the cryptocurrency market, they lose their investments. Only reason is they don't have skills to do the research. They want to do the research, but they don't have the skills. See, if they are buying a cell phone, at that time they are doing this much of research. So obviously when they buy any coin, they'll do the research, but they are not doing. Why? The reason is because they don't know how to do that. They don't have the skills to analyze a project, or they don't have any skills or knowledge about the cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. So because of this reason, but the cryptocurrency pumps and dumps and every day the cryptocurrency market is going up. So it is tempting people to come into the cryptocurrencies and put their money into these cryptocurrencies, but they are not understanding the reality. They are not understanding the fundamentals of any projects. They don't know the skills of blockchain technology. They don't know the knowledge, anything about blockchain technology. Just their friends invested into that, or any of their neighbor invested into that, into this cryptocurrencies. So they started invested into that. And this kind of people, in 100%, obviously they'll kick out of this cryptocurrency market very soon. So what you need to understand from this, you need to understand that you need to learn few things. You need to learn the fundamentals, how to understand analysis, how to understand a white paper. And I just want to ask you one thing, that whenever you see a call or a signal from any Telegram group, or from any YouTube channel, or from any websites or any other medium, did you ever went into the website of that particular coin, official website of that particular coin, and did you check what is that particular project is? How many of you have done that? At least, did you even watch the introduction video of that project in that website? At least that, it doesn't take more than 2 minutes to do that. But people won't do that because they don't even know all these things. They just in a rush, that pump kicks them and they want to invest. They get triggered with the pump and dumps, and they come and they invest into this pumps and dumps, and they'll lose their investments. So I feel pity, man. I feel really pity seeing this many people, and this is what made a stock market like. If you ask any old people, they'll say that don't go into the stock market. That is like gambling. No, that is not at all a gambling. That is 100% not at all a gambling. If you know how to read a company, how to understand what this company is doing, how to read a balance sheet and all those stuff, then you will also understand which kind of companies will give me good returns. Then you will invest into that. In the same way, in the cryptocurrency market as well, if you know these technologies and all this stuff, then you can invest into that. And there is one other thing people ask me many times, that sir, I don't belong to computers. I mean to say that I don't belong to computer field. I don't know anything about computers. How do I do that? This is 100% a myth, guys. You don't need to become a masters or anything into in cryptocurrencies or professional in blockchain technology. You just need a basic. You know how to operate a cell phone? That's enough. That is enough. But you need to understand the basics of blockchain technology, how this blocks and all these small things. And it doesn't take more than 2 or 3 hours for even a non-technical guy to understand these basic concepts. And even a 60-year-old guy, I can't say it a guy, 60-year-old people can also understand these things in just 2 or 3 hours. So one thing that you need to know before you become a billionaire is you need to have skills, and the second thing is you need to have patience. If you have patience, if you can work hard, and then you have skills, then obviously 100% I'm sure that you will become a millionaire in this cryptocurrency market. Then now the question is, how do I become skillful in this cryptocurrencies and this blockchain technology? So guys, one thing, if you would have seen my earlier videos, never I gave any signals. I don't like giving any signals. I hate people if someone is giving signals and asking you to buy this and buy that. Who am I to say you that buy these things so that you'll invest, you will get profits and all? I just say that this project would be good, but I don't say you that invest into this particular projects, right? So if you need skills in this blockchain technology, if you want to understand how this blockchain technology, and if you want to understand the psychologies of the markets and all this stuff, subscribe to this channel. Stick to this channel for 2 or 3 months. I'm 100% damn sure that you might not become a professional in blockchain and you start programming the blockchain, but I'm 100% sure that you will be in a good state of analyzing any project. If I gave you a white paper, then you can understand what are the things that I need to see. There are so many videos, they say that this project have a good team, but there are so many things to check in the team, right? In any project there have so many people working in their team, right? So you need to check few other things rather than just what are they pioneers in this blockchain technology, or they pioneers in the so-called technologies that they claim in those websites, and 90% of the bullshits. So you need to understand all this stuff. So stick to this channel for 2 or 3 months 100%, and make sure that you will become a skillful person in this analyzing of the good projects, fundamental analysis. I'm not against trading, even I do trade, but I don't do trading for intraday or kind of short-term tradings. I do a long-term trading or medium-term tradings. If I see that there is something happening in that project, then I'll invest into that project, and then once that news has become old, then I'll sell those coins. So in this way I trade, but I don't directly go with the technical charts and all those stuff. And I just see this technical stuff and all these things only when I'm entering into the market, that is this a correct place I can enter into the market. At that time that technical analysis can help you a bit, but I don't think that technical analysis, with only technical analysis you can become a millionaire into this blockchain technology. And the other thing is, okay, I explained you this knowledge, this I translated, I gave you skills and all this stuff. Now what you need to do? You need to work hard and analyze this stuff. People just learn this and they just forgot all these things. So this you should not do. If you work hard, I'll give you the knowledge, work hard, and then obviously you will be in a good state that you don't need to depend upon any paid Telegram groups or into any other YouTubers. You can just go to different projects, read their websites, and what are their technologies and what is the real-time problem that they are solving. All these things you can go there and you can work on that, and you can find out a great project, invest into that project, wait for some time, and then you will 100% become a millionaire. See, one thing is, there is so much of things that happens in this cryptos that few Telegram groups post that you made 2x or 3x or 10x in 2 days or 3 days or 10 days. That's bullshit, guys. That don't happen. That's entire things are bullshit. And even the post, even the screenshots, they say that every person say that, sir, I made this much of things, sir, I made this much of things. Can't you make those fake things, fake screenshots, and they blur all the names of those people and all this stuff? This is entirely manipulations and bullshit, guys. I don't get attracted to all those stuff. I just attracted to the fundamentals of the projects, and I buy that and I wait for some time, and if I do trading, I go for a news rather than going for a pump and dump. So this is what I just want to say. So thank you so much for watching this video. This is your host Kaushik and you're watching Crypto Market Today.